po ulit si Coach Alvin Velasco.
Hey, I'm back. Parang kailan lang, ano? So again, guys, welcome back and congratulations for attending this session. And what we're going to talk about today is very exciting. It's about connection, ano, para maintindihan natin bakit ba natin kailangan and why most often na nagfi-fail ka sa iyong program, isa lang ang kulang nun. It's because of the connection. So let me just share my slides. Itong ano na to, this topic is coming from ating Chief Health and Nutrition Officer, si Kent Bradley. So, ang sabi nga niya, connection is very important. As human, we are wired for social connection. Pero kadalasan, may mga factors po na hindi natin maiiwasan na gusto natin maging isolated and being disconnected to everybody, no? Ngayon, pag ito ang pinili niyong path, marami pong epekto ang nangyayari nito. Minsan tumataas ang stress. Ngayon, pag tumaas ang stress, problema na yan. Stress combined with the ever-evolving modern lifestyle, no? Yung mga unhealthy food natin, yun yung pagbabalingan mo and other things. Kahit na yung technology natin is at the roof na, to really attain those mga learnings. Minsan, na-overwhelm tayo sa mga datas and we don't know which datas to perform. Hindi natin alam kung ano-ano tong totoo ba tong mga nakikita natin sa internet, di ba? And you don't have anybody because you choose to be isolated, di ba? So, kanina, sinare ko na po ang aking results so we don't have to share it again, no? Yan. So socials, yung strong social connections plays a very important role in uh, sa tao, no, kasi nga may mga pag-aaral ngayon na nakita natin, no, a lot of studies that support this one, na yung mga tao po na maganda yung connection nila sa family, sa friends, sa community, ito po yung nagiging healthy human being and ang haba po ng buhay nila, no? Is this truth? Well, if it is a fact na napatunayan na yan ng mga studies, napakaganda pong pag-usapan din natin yan, no? Sa ating pong mga distributor, ito po sinasabi po natin that we're sharing the goodness of the product. Number one po yung nutrition, di ba? And we have to share this one effectively. So connection is very important. Yan. So, ano-ano bang paraan for us to share as a distributor or a coach or however you call it, no? Whether the goal is to lose weight or magti-train ka ng triathlon, kailangan mo ng kaagapay, di ba? And you need somebody out there to look for you, to teach you, to inspire you, and to motivate you, di ba? Para ma-achieve yung results na yon. Ito yung ating paraan sa Herbalife. We live in a world obsessed with discipline, di ba? Motivation and self-improvement. But ito yung katotohanan, di ba? Most of the time, nag-fail tayo. But try to understand this. People don't fail because they are weak. This is the lesson, no? They fail because they are alone. Walang nagtuturo, walang katabi, walang human connection, no? When connection is missing, even the best intention fade. Naniniwala ba kayo dito? So optimal wellness isn't just about nutrition or routines. It's about having someone who walks with you kapag nawala po yung motivation. Di ba? And this is very true. Nangyari na sa akin to eh. Hindi ka talaga motivated how even you try, no? So today is about remembering this simple truth. You don't have to do life alone or you don't have to grow alone. So here are 4 ways kung paano natin tinutulungan yung mga tao for ourselves and for those people we love, no? So, yung distributor natin are trained to help their customer, their friends, para ma-achieve yung goal. But first, we have to set a clear path, no? Yung goal natin, kailangan ma-identify mo ano ba ang gusto mo mangyari sa result mo. We have to identify that one. And to identify this one, pag nakuha mo yung gusto niya, this can be a driving force because you have to put it sa in front sa vision niya to always see that vision. Ikaw magre-remind para he keeps on doing what is necessary na ma-achieve niya yung result na gusto niya. Di ba? It's very amazing kapag meron kang accountability partner. Distributors like Herbalife coaches are prepared yung personalized plan para lang i-tailored doon sa gusto mong maging result. It's really amazing para mas sustain, no? And the next one is tayo po, we really identify yung mga behavior pattern para hindi na natin ma-trigger yung tinuturuan natin, no? Kung if the pattern goes sideways, makukorek mo agad kasi nakikita mo leaning na siya doon. Sometimes ang pagiging ano natin, pagiging coach natin varies kapag nasa mood ka ba o wala ka. But you have to really understand na meron kang accountability, no? We are Herbalife coaches are trained for those things, no? Even in season or out of season, you have to do it para lang magkaroon ng result yung iyong partner, no? And to get more energy every day. So, lahat yan tinuturuan natin. So, yung experience natin as a coach can observe this pattern very well. Ako, 11 years na po ako nagko-coach. Minsan sa interview pa lang, alam ko na agad kung ano yung gagawin ko sa kliyente ko, no? All we need to do is to really patch them up kung paano nila gagawin yan. Mind setting lang, di ba? So, number 3, distributor keeps people motivated and accountable. So, kailangan ipaintindi mo rin sa kanya that even if you spend time to invest, nag-invest ka sa kanya ng oras, siya din nag-invest, kailangan na two-way street, di ba? Hindi pwedeng ikaw lang ang magtatrabaho, siya din. Very clear po yung understanding na message na ibibigay mo sa kanya para magkasundo kayo. One of the main reason why keeping motivated is hard is that it entails a lot of stress, di ba? Makikita niya na ang dami ko palang gagawin, no? Now, as a coach, it's very essential na you can see this pattern coming. Kung napaprostrate na siya, uh, maybe fatigue na siya if yung exercises na pinapagawa mo sa kanya is very no. So, you have to understand these things and coach him well, no? A distributor or a coach will support, encourage, and motivate the people na tinuturuan niya to stay on track and focus for the results to come, di ba? Para naman maganda yung kanyang journey. Okay? So, and lastly, number 4, a distributor helps people overcome limiting beliefs. Sometimes kasi yung customer natin, yung friend natin, feel like they can't achieve a goal. Pagka dumating yun, sasabihin sa'yo, coach, talagang hindi ko kayang kumain ng gulay. This is just an example, ano? I cannot do exercises. Nasanay talaga ako na wala akong ginagawa eh. So these are limiting beliefs na dapat mong buwagin, no? You have to run through this wall so that ma-achieve niya yung goal na yan. And running through this wall is very difficult kung hindi ka hasa kung paano mo gagawin ito. And to let this happen, you have to enlighten the mind of the people you are coaching, di ba? Distributor can help their customers recognize they have the ability and responsibility to take ownership. Kasi sasabihin mo, ano ba, gusto mo ba talagang gumaling? Gusto mo bang ma-achieve itong shape na gusto mo? Then, do this, di ba? Push them forward rather than feel them left behind. Baka iwanan mo na lang, matigas talaga ang ulo nito. Iwanan ko na nga. We don't do that one, no? So, I want you to focus on this video. Kasi if you're new, pwede mong maisip na ito pala yung ginagawa ng mga coaches sa Herbalife. Or if you are a coach na or distributor, it will enhance your knowledge, okay? So, watch this.
Nutrition is complex and personal. Each individual has unique wellness goals, and one-on-one support can make a big difference. I manage my own small business selling Herbalife nutrition products. I help my customers throughout their personal journey to better health and wellness. I also help people make extra income by starting their own part-time business. While I choose to operate my business full-time, many other people start out part-time to earn extra money around their 9-to-5 job. Thanks to online trainings, resources, and a supportive community, people can build their own sales team and over time begin to earn commission on every transaction. The flexibility of the Herbalife Nutrition business model means that people can work from anywhere, whether that's at home, social media, or even at a nutrition club like mine, while setting their own hours. And at Herbalife Nutrition, startup costs are low and there's no minimum purchase required. When I first started building my business, it was important for me to be at home with my kids while earning my own income. As my kids got older, both my husband and I were able to put more time towards our business. It's taken hard work and lots of dedication to build my business. I'm proud of what I do and for the opportunity to change people's lives.
Okay. So, if you are like us na gusto mo ring tumulong and wanted to share, no? And have a good result, pwede po kayong magpa-member. If you're not still a member of Herbalife, try to ask the person who invited you. And if you are a member na, try coaching, no? Marami tayong training for that one. So this picture, I'll just show you. This is my sponsor, si Robert Jimenez, yung pinakamalaking mukha dyan. So, I'm just trying to relate. What if this person doesn't connect with me, no? And the background of that face is my organization, yung aking mga leaders, ano? Hindi ko sana makonekta din yung mga leaders na yan, no? So, this is really amazing company. Yes, this is a business, but this is an amazing business of wellness and connection. And you will create a really great life if you join this company, no? So, ayan na yung mga bunga ng ating pagkokonekta sa iba't iba, no? Yan. A helping hand can make a difference when trying to lead a healthier life. Di ba? And this one is our BNC family. So, nakita niyo yung mga mukha na yan. Ang sasaya, di ba? This picture is taken, I think, 2 years ago when we have our Christmas party, no? Now, growth does not happen in isolation. Hindi po mangyayari yan kapag nag-iisa ka, no? The most successful people are not the smartest one. Believe me. Di ba? Or the talented. Palagay na natin talented ka. They are the most supported one. No? Marami pong nagtuturo sa kanila. Marami silang community. That's why they are successful. Coaching works because someone checks in. Community works because someone celebrates progress. Accountability works because someone reminds you why you started. This is very important. When people grow together, results multiply. Diba? Not because of the pressure, but because of the encouragement. Wellness becomes sustainable when people feel supported, not judged. Diba? Hindi natin ginagawa yon. This is how real transformation happens. Together as a unit. Diba? Sabi nga ng founder natin, as a unit, we can get Philippines into 5 million. volume points. Yeah. So, yan, tingnan nyo naman, oh, ang sasaya. So keep doing the result, and on top of that, join the community kasi it's only in the community that you will be supported, di ba? Para lang maging masaya tayo, di ba? Yan ang message natin for this amazing, a helping hand can make a difference. Sinasabi ko kanina pa, di ba? So if you are tired of starting over, if you are tired of doing things alone, if you are looking for growth that feels human, then connection is your next step. And the next step is joining us in Herbalife. You don't need perfection. You don't need experience. Marami dito walang experience. You don't need to have everything figured out. The company will figure out for you. You just need people willing to walk with you. And the coaches can help you. If this message po resonates you, itong session natin, approach nyo po yung inyong mentor or what you call sponsor or nag-invite sa inyo to connect with us. So thank you very much for listening. Back to you, Coach Chow.
Congratulations! Wow, napaka-inspiring, informative ang ating topic for today. So very important talaga, no,